Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to talk about sugar minis. As you can see from the title, it's going to be a lipstick review video. So there are 4 lipsticks in this set and I'm going to take you through each of them one by one, of course. This is what they look like. So there are 4 mini lipsticks inside of this, and of course we are going to swatch and we're going to see how they look on the lips as well. I quite like this range from Sugar mini lipsticks. I love the colors in the Smudge Me Not Liquid lipsticks, but they are a tad bit dry, and as they start getting drier, it becomes very difficult to keep applying and loving those lipsticks as much as I love the colors on those. But this particular formula is very comforting on the lips, very nourishing, very hydrating, and I love the pigmentation on these. And this particular set comes for around 1200 rupees. I love the idea of getting minis because you get to try different shades. Plus, if you're someone who loves makeup and who has quite a lot of collection, you don't really go through all the lipsticks. You know, they probably expire and you have to throw them out. Plus, when you buy like the full size, they're more expensive than the mini ones, and then you have to just, it's like a waste of makeup. And again, if you also, if you're new to makeup and you don't know what lipsticks will suit you, what will not look good on you, what will look good on you, what will not look good on you. So these minis are a good way to try out the lipsticks, the formula, the different colors. And if you like a particular shade and you run out of it, then you can go ahead and buy a full size of it. So it's a win-win. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start swatching the shades on the back of my hand first, and then I'll show you the colors on my lips, of course. And I did a video on this makeup look that you see here. I'm going to link the video down below if that video is already up. Otherwise it's going to be the next one up on my channel. Either way, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, so that you don't miss out on the videos, and show my videos some love, guys. Please share it with your friends and family if you enjoy spending time here on my channel. And without further ado, let's just quickly start. This is how the bullet of the lipstick looks like. It's like a normal lipstick, twist it open, and this much product is about what you get. So not too much, but they are mini lipsticks. So here, let's begin the swatches. This one is Better For Salmon. As you can see, it's like a nice medium pink nudish kind of a shade. And then we have Brownton Abbey. This is a brown nude shade. These both 3 shades will look good on fair to medium skin tones. Breaking Bear is a nice pink shade, medium pink shade you can say. And then Peachy Little Liars is a nice peachy nude shade. So this is how the shades look. So these are the 4 shades and this is how they look on me. I hope you all enjoyed the swatch video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.